lovely, so it's much later now, and I've cooked my pastry, my puff pastry, and as you can see, it's made 6 of these. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make like a vanilla slice, a cream slice out of them. So you will be using like one like that together to make a nice big vanilla slice or cream slice or whatever you want to do with it. It was in the oven for around about 10 minutes, I would say. And yeah, I've just left it on the rack to cool down. As I say, it's been some time. We've had our evening meal and everything, and so now we're just going to have this for a late sort of dessert or an evening snack with a cuppa. So I'll show you what I'm going to do. So I've got a bowl there, and I'm going to give Chris the cream. So this is double cream, so I'm going to give it to him to whisk up.
A whole lot in there?
Yeah, put the whole lot in. Right, so I've decided to go a little bit different. I'm going to use pineapple jam. So this is the Hartley's pineapple jam. I thought it would make it nice and a little bit more kind of summery. It's got little tiny bits of pineapple in as well, you see. So I'm just going to take the half to each one. Right, there we go. There you go. So you can see now. Look, can't you? You can't see my head, but you can see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to use a spoon. To like put the jam in. I'm going to do a couple of teaspoons each because you need to taste it. You don't want it to be like, oh, that's a hint of something, but I don't know what it is. And I'm just going to layer it all over like that, just with the back of the spoon. It's just a little bit easier, really. So that's, how's it going? Thickening up?
No.
Right, so the cream's done. I ended up just finishing it off in the little, oh, what do you call it, like the little soup blender thing. Do you want to put the kettle on, love?
Oh?
Do you want to stick the kettle on? It's like you need a drink with it, I think. Right, there we go. So let's just hold it gently. I don't want the puff to be unpuffed. That's that one. Spread the cream. Not quite to the edges, otherwise it's all going to squidge out. Well, it will as soon as you bite into it anyway. On with the tops. And then a bit of icing sugar over the top. So I'm going to go over it with, you could actually do it with a wet icing if you wanted to. I'm just going to go over it with icing sugar. You could do them, I think they would be brilliant done as like mince pies, wouldn't they, at Christmas? You put mincemeat in them.
That's good.
Wouldn't they?
Huh?
I said they'd be brilliant at Christmas, like with mince meat in them, as like a mince pie, and like snow. Just make it look pretty. And there we go. So here they are, all ready to go onto the plates. You will need a napkin because they're going to be messy. And this is what they look like from the sides. And we're going to really enjoy these. See you in the next video, my lovelies. Take care. Bye.